matter of net neutrality. Sir, my time has been reduced. Please restore my time, sir. Sir, Article 19(1)(a) of the Constitution guarantees us the right of freedom of expression. However, the telecom operators, in cahoots with the Telecom Regulatory Authority of India, are trying to bring in a backdoor method of violating all norms of net neutrality and make certain applications only on their data networks, which will mean more data consumed and more money inflow for them. However, sir, this will violate any kind of freedom that any telecom user, that is more than 90 million users in telecom have in India. Sir, this will also violate the right to information as interpreted by India's Supreme Court. So by restricting access to information and fair and free usage of internet, these operators, just because they want to make some money, are trying to manipulate and corrupt the system of licensed telecom operations in India. Sir, the TRAI is also floated a consultation mechanism, whereas you could not go and post your views. The site is always down, and when somehow people were able to put in, they simply expose all the 1 million people who put it so that they can be targeted and their emails could be hacked. Sir, if the government is serious in allowing this to happen, which I feel it's a very, very bad idea, then the spectrum condition, the spectrum auction, why did it not mention that the telecom operators would be allowed to do this kind of monopolistic practices? Sir, the Honorable Prime Minister says Skill India will come to Digital India. Sir, if this is the way, then only Limited Digital India, sir, he should rename it to Limited Digital India, because a non-neutral Digital India will not serve the purpose. Sir, the National Telecom Policy also envisages affordable and reliable broadband by 2015. Sir, all this will all be defeated if TRAI and these telecom operators are allowed to do this. Sir, when the TRAI is trying to endorse a foreign concept, we would request the TRAI and especially the Ministry of Telecom to instruct TRAI to first see the Indian sensitivities and then follow these kind of concepts blankly. Sir, in the end, my request is through you, to safeguard the freedom and choice of equality on the internet and to promote innovation and competition on the web. This step should be abhorred. This should be discouraged, and the net neutrality of the telecom operator should be restored. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Okay.